Come test drive 2016 NV2500. The Nissan NV2500 is a commercial vehicle with unique and appealing features, including a tall enough roofline to allow workers to stand up in the cargo area. The NV2500 pairs a comfort-oriented cabin with the functionality of a commercial work truck, including an available V8 engine, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.